where does the name for Criccieth come from? So today I'm in Criccieth Castle. It's a little castle located on a rock just off the Llyn Peninsula. Well, the edge of the Llyn Peninsula. It's a castle that was built by Welsh kings originally, but then after the conquest, heavily rebuilt and changed by the Normans. Criccieth is made of two parts. You have Creg, which means a stone, and then we have the word Caeth. Now in modern Welsh, Caeth means something like bonds or slavery, but in Middle Welsh it meant something like a bondsman or a peasant or a serf. So a lot of people say that it was named the Stone of Bonds because of the imprisonment of Llywelyn's family, who were imprisoned in the castle following some war or another. But more likely it refers to a community of serfs who lived in the area. Anyway,